How to make a Performa invoice in Zoho Books. Once on Zoho Books, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're just going to tap on Sales. Then from there, you're going to see the option Quotations. You're going to tap on the plus in line with Quotations. From here, you can fill in the customer name. If you haven't created a customer as yet, you can create a new customer. Then you're just going to scroll down and you can see the quote date. And if you want your quotation or Performa to expire at a particular date, you can select the expiry date and you can fill it in right there. You can also fill in a salesperson by tapping on Manage Salesperson. You could create a salesperson. You can add in a subject if you want. Then you can select the product or service that you're creating the quotation on. So let's say, for example, consulting. Then you can scroll down. After you have created your quotation, you can fill in the terms and conditions. You can also add any attachments if you want. And you're just going to tap on Save and Send in the bottom left-hand corner. After doing that, you can see right there the person's email address. You could fill it in, whomever you would like to send the quotation to. Then you'll tap on Send. If it is a case that you would like to print the quotation instead, you could tap on Cancel. Then from there, you can tap on PDF/print and you could print it instead. Or you could select PDF and then from there you can share it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.